amor por las trocas, el rugido del motor. Desde chico al volante vamos puro pedante, con mis primos y mi hermana, al tiro los camaradas. El Kevin y el Kenar siempre han sido de confianza. Una Ram RT se mira por el freeway, un camión que es dos verdes que cargo no les diré.
No. Como hay gente pendeja. ¡Ah, perro! Ronaldinho se queda pendejo. Ahí ven.
Hey, what's up?
Como de costumbre, navego en la lumbre, ganando todo. Y cuando se ocupe, si se ocupa.
Oye, ¿agarraron ustedes? Sí, sí.
Should we just cop it? What if it doesn't work? How much do you think the engines are worth here? Like, para pagar. No creo, como unos 300, 400, sí, ¿no? Oh, mira, ahí hay una Silverado. Si ahorita vemos esa Suburban. Shit's in better shape than mine. The Silverado. Oh, mira, ese tiene cluster, pero no creo que es creo que es una Navigator, creo. Say hi, Joan. A ver acá. No está chida la... It is pretty badass though. Pero... It's a Lincoln, yeah. Like, what the fuck? I was getting excited. What can we take away from this? Mira, los black leather seats are pretty cool.
Okay.
Los black leather seats, they're pretty cool. Pero otro lado está bien un pinche ripped. But keep looking. Why you buy? ¿Está perrona, va? Nice. Gas real quick porque la gente va en la calle.
Me siento bien, la tormenta ya ha pasado, tranquilos que he regresado para hacer lo que siempre me sale bien.
got him. Tengo pedos que está como yellow, ¿no, Giovanni? It's kind of yellowish.
Yeah.
It's a filter. Paid $100. I think it's a pretty good deal. Rich foods. So we drove like 40 minutes to get here. It was worth it. So this is all camino? No, not really. Nah, it's pretty fast. We're in the middle of nowhere though, so we're gonna get killed. Remember that movie? What's that one movie called? Was it like the middle of nowhere? You said like fucking monsters like from the mountain. So did you work? It was a bitch to wire them because my truck doesn't come with the factory plugs, so they do not plug and play. So I had to basically do it myself. The downside about it though is that I think I messed something up because my fog lights don't work, so I gotta wire them again. And then my running lights over here at the bottom, they're not working correctly. I don't know why. So si prenden cuando pongo los intermitentes, cuando pongo the emergency lights, they do work fine. But if I take them off, I only have the LED strip and the HIDs running, which I mean it's good. The thing is that the bottom was not working, or the fog lights. So I'm pretty sure I kind of messed something up over there. The good thing is that there's power because they do turn on. So maybe I didn't wire them correctly. I'm gonna have to rewire them. Sorry, it's a little dirty. It just snowed a couple of days ago, and it's gonna snow tomorrow. So why am I gonna wash it? Anyways, so yeah, guys, it got new turn signal mirrors, so that's good. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you. So I was checking online and I couldn't find anything that explained why my lower running lights weren't working. Turns out it was the parking brake fuse, and they work. I think. Yeah, they work, so that's good. So success.